Japanese nightlife is just so exciting. Both Osaka and Kyoto have so many places to visit and delicious food to eat that it should not be enough to spend time alone. If you want to enjoy both sightseeing and erotic time, you can count on us. With over 1,000 girls, we're the leading agent in Japan and will make your trip spectacular. We select exceptionally kawaii girls from all over Japan. Just let us know how long and when you want to use the service, and we will suggest a nice girl that fits your needs. Some of the girls are fluent in English and Chinese. You will feel like you are spending the night with your Japanese girlfriends. You can decide how long you want to stay, from 3 hours up to 12 hours or more, depending on your plans. You can also use a short stay at a Japanese love hotel instead of your own hotel. You tell the store the girl you want and the time you want to call her. Reservations and inquiries can be made via social networking services such as WhatsApp, WeChat, Line, and Kakao. Our professional staff is available 24 hours a day to help you make a smooth reservation.